Pushing to the green, all temperature trimmed and fuel's on both. Tail flying. First notch of flaps out.
Bravo's with you at 2,000. 1,100 for 3,000.
Departure November 679 Hotel.
Departure radar contact, maintain VFR outer.
Cherokee 43408 requesting.
There it is. Wow. We neutralize the controls on the horizon. Power comes in. All right, power's to idle. We hold our altitude, stick back. Try and help it on out. There it is. One.
So, you know, like you said,
Throwing a bunch of right rudder in.
Yeah.
You're just neutralizing it.
am I?
Start your turn. All right. Show you how to tighten it up a little. On Airbus pattern, he's teaching you. Here comes your center line, right? Little right rudder. Okay, perfect. Yep, that's a nice 3-point.
Miles to the west.
Right rudder. Hold her off. Right rudder. Go. Very nice. Duke. Yeah, it's just easy to land on the center line, isn't it? No wind to blame it on that.